Hey guys, Jason here from Murideo, CEDIA 2021 in Indianapolis. One of the products that we're showing off at our booth this year is our brand new 8K Murideo test kit. This is going to let us generate 8K signals through a system or maybe to a television to make sure that it's compliant for the different resolutions and different frame rates. On the other end of it, you have an analyzer that shows you the type of signal that's coming in. So in a distributed system, you can use this as your source, this as your display, and completely test the entire infrastructure of your system. Another nice thing about this kit, especially in the world now of HDMI 2.1, we can test HDMI cables from 18 gigs all the way up to 40 gigs. So we can check for compliance, we can check for functionality. This is the type of kit that you want to use when you're doing a lot of installation work. It helps you with troubleshooting, it helps you with setup, and it really is a big time saver. Another great thing about the generator is if you're doing any video calibration, this is going to connect to your favorite video calibration software and help automate some of that process. Thank you so much for stopping by. Again, we're Murideo. Visit us at www.murideo.com.